Hi, creative writers. It's great to be here with you virtually. Here I am at home, and I wanted to talk to you about journaling and the importance really of the daily work that you do in the journal as a writer. Really, I don't think there's any kind of quick way to be a writer. You have to put a lot of work in. You have to read and you have to practice all the time, or at least as much as you can in life. Life gets busy and difficult. But one thing that I've found that's really helpful is to do my best to try at least, 5 days a week, if not 7 days a week, to write in my journal. And sometimes you write stuff that's really great, and then sometimes you write stuff that, honestly is kind of crappy. And then sometimes you're just writing to practice. And it's important, I think, understand that it's okay to just practice, and it's okay to have crappy days where you're not really all that creative, because eventually you're going to hit a gem as you keep practicing and keep writing and keep trying out different things. So in this class, I obviously give you journal entries and writing exercises, that I want you to focus on practicing a particular aspect of your craft. But the truth is, it's nice for you to also, practice on your own independently on the days that I don't assign you a writing exercise. And then my hope too is that when this course ends, you're going to keep a journal. Journaling for me has been kind of one of the most profound experiences that I've had in existence. And here's the deal. I've kept journals since I was in high school. Here is a journal basically that I kept, and I keep them. Honestly, I haven't looked at them in probably maybe 3 years, and then I think before then I looked at them maybe 10 years ago. But the daily practice is so important. So here's a journal that I wrote back when I was 20. I'm 45 now. This was from 1995, so quite a while ago. And this is one from 1996. And then, we have all throughout, my high school and college years, I wrote quite a lot. This one is, I think, from, 93. So I was a senior in high school. I also now have moved to keeping my journal online. And so for me, it's just easier and more efficient. And the thing is that daily practice will yield for you. My first memoir came out of journals that I kept on a farm, and I was just writing about my daily life. Nothing seemed like all that exciting, but I knew I had to practice writing, and eventually it built into a memoir. So you never know what will come out of you if you keep writing. The key is to never stop and to just keep practicing, and the more you practice, the more you'll improve, but also you'll start a special relationship with your journal. So keep writing and keep journaling, and don't stop once this class is over.